Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Go, you ready, Carl? There's the water out there. It is a bit jolty to start with, I did forget to tell you that. But when it gets to the thing. What do you think? Are you enjoying it? Yeah. Hey! Oh! Oh! We're going right up to the top now. Oh my god! Woo-hoo! Oh! We're almost upside down. Yeah. Oh! Wow. It goes high, eh? Woo! Oh wow! I think that's like slowing down now. Nah, just kidding.
Definitely the best
Oh no, we're getting higher again, I think. I think we're getting higher again. No, we are slowing down, yeah. So what did you think then?
I liked it.
That's
I
good.
enjoyed it, yeah.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
My channel and